going on, guys? It's the Alyssa Morrison back. Hi. Today I wanted to show you guys how I do my everyday beach waves. I have naturally very curly and very fine hair, and it's also been pretty damaged and very dry just from bleaching so much. So to start off, I just went ahead and blow dried my hair as straight as I could with my blow dryer and this round brush here. I got this round brush at Sally's and it's my favorite. It's just really thick and dense. So after it's completely straight, the curling iron that I use for these curls is the Ionic, and I believe this is the 1 inch, but it's really long, which I like. I don't have very long hair, but if I did, it would be very helpful. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Please be sure to give this a thumbs up if you want to see more videos from me, and be sure to click that subscribe button so you can join the family, and let's just jump right in. So this is what my hair looks like, completely dried and straightened as much as I can with the blow dryer. So I'm just going in with the Joico thermal heat protectant spray and just spraying this root to tip and then brushing it through to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Since blow drying my hair straight is kind of a chore, I really have expedited this process of actually curling my hair by not sectioning off my hair. I usually just take chunks of like 1 to 2 inches and just start curling it, and I just want to make sure to leave out like the bottom inch or inch and a half of hair so that way the ends will be straight and not like give you that really voluminous like pageant girl curls. Do you know what I'm saying? Not that there's anything wrong with that look. I'm just going for like a really chill, laid back curl that kind of looks undone. I'm also taking each curl and curling it away from my face. I also leave the curls in these like really defined ringlets until they've completely cooled, and at that point I'll run my fingers through them and kind of make them a little bit more messy and lived in. And depending on how often you wash your hair, you can actually have these curls last up to a week. And finally, I'm just running my fingers through my hair, kind of loosening the curls and making them less structured. And just because of the way that my hair is layered, I usually go back in and take kind of the top layer and usually wrap the hair around the curling iron more like a wand, just so it gives a slight variation of curls so all of the curls don't clump together, if that makes sense. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the other side and I will show you guys the end result. I almost forgot, since I have these kind of longer bangs and they're kind of in an awkward stage of growing out, I just like to very loosely wrap this section of hair around the wand just to make it like a really natural wave and not like a structured curl that's going away from my face. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Be sure to click that subscribe button and we will see you next time.